Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025, the newest, smartest, and most efficient cleaning robots you can buy this year. Whether you need powerful suction, advanced AI navigation, self-emptying docks, or the best budget pick, I've got you covered. As always, all the product links are listed down in the description, so feel free to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Now let's jump straight into the list. 5. ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 OMNI. Introducing the DEEBOT T80 OMNI, your new secret weapon for a cleaner, smarter home. Powered by an impressive 18,000 PA of suction, this flagship-level floor washer lifts embedded dust, pet hair, and debris for a visibly deeper clean on both rugs and hard floors. Its advanced Osmo roller scrubs at 220 RPM with 16 times more pressure, rinsing in real time for streak-free floors, while TrueEdge technology extends the roller to reach baseboards and tight corners other robots miss. With AV3D 3.0 smart navigation, embedded LiDAR, and an auto-sensing LED headlight, the T80 OMNI maps your home with 1mm precision and cleans confidently even in dark spaces. The upgraded 10-in-1 OMNI station handles everything: hot water mop washing, hot air drying, self-emptying, refilling, and more, so you enjoy a hands-free experience from start to finish. Matter-compatible voice control and the new Zero Tangle 3.0 system make it perfect for busy families and pet owners. Get premium cleaning power and true convenience, now within reach. 4. iRobot Roomba Vac. Experience the next level of effortless home cleaning with the Roomba 105 Vac robot and AutoEmpty Dock, designed to give you up to 75 days of hands-free cleanliness. Its advanced system automatically empties dirt into a sealed bag that traps 99% of allergens as small as 0.7 microns, so there's no mess or dust cloud. Just replace the bag and go. Powered by 70x more power-lifting suction compared to the Roomba 600 series, a multi-surface brush, and an edge sweeping brush, this robot devours dirt, dust bunnies, and debris for floors that feel barefoot clean. With Clearview LiDAR smart mapping, it navigates with precision, avoids obstacles, and never falls downstairs. Customize your clean with targeted room scheduling, adjustable suction, and multiple cleaning passes, all from the easy-to-use Roomba Home app. Need extra attention in one spot? Spot cleaning tackles stubborn areas for up to 5 minutes. Control it your way using your favorite voice assistant, the app, or onboard buttons. Sleek, modern, and Wi-Fi ready, the Roomba 105 blends effortlessly into your home while delivering consistently powerful performance. 3. Mova P10 Pro Ultra. Experience a whole new level of hands-free cleaning with the P10 Pro Ultra. Engineered with a powerful 13,000 PA suction system that effortlessly removes dust, pet hair, cat litter, and crumbs from hard floors and carpets. Its advanced all-in-one docking station handles mop self-cleaning with 149-bar hot water, hot air drying, and a 3.2-liter auto-empty dust bag that lasts up to 75 days. Supported by large clean and dirty water tanks capable of covering 4,300 square feet. Dual side brush and mop extensions reach deep into corners and edges, while the 10.5mm auto-lifting mop keeps carpets dry. Smart dirt detection, RGB camera technology, and 3D structured light enable precise object avoidance, remopping, and intelligent navigation even in dark rooms. Stay connected to your pets with interactive video calls, enjoy tailored pet care cleaning modes, and control everything from the app with custom schedules, virtual walls, and zone settings. Powered by a long-lasting 5,200 mAh battery, the P10 Pro Ultra delivers up to 2.5 hours of continuous cleaning with optional off-peak charging to save on energy. Tikom L8000 Plus. Experience the future of effortless home cleaning with the L8000 Plus robot vacuum, your ultimate 3-in-1 sweeping, mopping, and self-emptying solution. With a massive 3L dust bag that provides up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning, you'll barely ever need to think about vacuum maintenance again. Its ultra-powerful 6,000 PA suction lifts dirt, pet hair, and deep embedded debris with ease, automatically boosting power on carpets for a deeper clean. Advanced 360-degree LiDAR navigation scans your home to create smart, multi-floor maps while avoiding obstacles and ensuring complete coverage without missed spots. Customize your clean effortlessly through the app or voice commands. Set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, or target specific rooms with a tap or simple Alexa request. With up to 150 minutes of runtime and smart auto recharge resume, the L8000 Plus keeps your floors spotless while you sit back, relax, and truly enjoy a hands-free clean. One Shark AI Ultra experience a whole new level of clean with the Shark AI Robot Vacuum. Engineered with incredible suction power to tackle dirt, debris, and even the toughest messes on any floor type. Its advanced matrix clean system ensures no spots are missed, making multiple precision passes for deep whole home coverage. Enjoy true hands-free convenience with a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. No pricey disposal bags needed. The self-cleaning brush roll is designed to pull in hair, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors without getting tangled, making it perfect for pet owners. With 360-degree LiDAR mapping, the Shark AI robot navigates your home with accuracy, avoiding obstacles day or night. Control your clean effortlessly through the Shark Clean app or with simple voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Plus, with extended runtime and recharge and resume technology, it always picks up right where it left off. Included in the box, Shark AI Robot, XL self-empty base, 2 side brushes, and 1 filter. Everything you need for a smarter, deeper clean. All right, everyone. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. I hope this helped you find the perfect option for your home. If you saw a model you liked, all the product links are listed down below in the description, so you can check out the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our newest reviews and top tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.